Are you tired of struggling with declining eyesight as you age? Well, we have some incredible news for you. Welcome to our channel, where today we're unveiling the ultimate secrets to revitalizing your eyesight and maintaining optimal eye health. It's time to take control of your vision and unlock the power of nutrition. You won't believe the remarkable impact that 5 simple foods can have on your eyes. Get ready to discover the top 5 foods that will bring back your eyesight and keep your eyes shining bright. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are renowned for their role in promoting optimal vision. They boast a significant amount of vitamin A, a vital antioxidant that plays a key role in maintaining good eyesight, particularly in low-light settings. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you can support the health of your retina and cornea while safeguarding your eyes against potential damage from free radicals. Moreover, carrots contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 additional antioxidants that contribute to overall eye well-being. Consistently consuming carrots can enhance your eyesight and provide protection against age-related vision issues. Number 2. Fish. Fish serves as a remarkable reservoir of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for maintaining optimal eye health. These fatty acids possess the ability to alleviate inflammation and shield your eyes against harm inflicted by free radicals. Varieties such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are particularly abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, enabling them to enhance your eyesight and mitigate the likelihood of age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of fish can further contribute to overall eye well-being and safeguard your eyes from potential environmental damage. Number 3. Leafy greens. Abundant with essential antioxidants and nutrients, leafy greens like spinach and kale play a pivotal role in nurturing optimal eyesight. These greens are particularly rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, crucial for promoting eye health, alongside vitamin C, which aids in shielding your eyes from the detrimental effects of harmful UV rays. By incorporating leafy greens into your diet, you can also reduce the likelihood of age-related macular degeneration, a prevalent cause of vision impairment among older individuals. Embracing these greens in your meals can significantly enhance your eyesight and sustain excellent eye health. Number 4. Berries. Abundant in antioxidants and essential nutrients, berries like blueberries and strawberries offer a significant contribution to maintaining optimal eye health. These fruits boast a noteworthy content of vitamin C, which aids in safeguarding your eyes against the detrimental effects of harmful UV rays. Furthermore, they are also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, vital components for preserving good eyesight. Notably, berries contain anthocyanins, compounds that enhance blood circulation to the eyes while shielding them from damage caused by free radicals. By incorporating berries into your regular diet, you can enhance your eyesight and fortify your eyes against age-related vision issues. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Consuming almonds and sunflower seeds, among other nuts and seeds, provides an excellent supply of vitamin E, an antioxidant crucial for maintaining optimal eye health. Vitamin E plays a vital role in shielding your eyes from harm induced by free radicals and reducing the chances of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, nuts and seeds are abundant in essential fatty acids and magnesium, promoting improved blood circulation to the eyes and ensuring their overall well-being. By incorporating a handful of nuts and seeds into your daily diet, you can enhance your vision and preserve good eye health. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey to boost your vision and maintain good eye health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on optimizing your well-being. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll reveal the top 8 anti-aging foods you should consume after the age of 50. These foods are packed with nutrients that can slow down the aging process and keep you feeling youthful. Click on the next video to uncover these incredible secrets to a vibrant and healthy life. Now, here's a question for you. What's the most surprising thing you've discovered about the connection between nutrition and eye health? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Remember, taking care of your eyesight goes beyond just a proper diet. Factors like genetics, age, and overall lifestyle play a significant role. So, prioritize a healthy lifestyle, engage in regular exercise, refrain from smoking, and protect your eyes with suitable eyewear when necessary. If you have any concerns or questions about your eyesight, don't hesitate to consult with your doctor or an eye specialist. They can provide personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific needs. Thank you once again for watching. Let's embark on this journey to optimal eye health together. Click that next video, leave a comment, and we'll see you there.